You drive in the deepest part of the night, alone on the highway, and then you see it. The silhouette behind you, huge, silent, close. It never signals, never backs off. It presses you closer and closer until your heartbeat begins to sync with the roar of your engine. You speed up. But it speeds up too. You drift into panic. Your hands shake. You whisper to yourself, just a little faster. Just a little more. Then, when you finally gather the courage to look back, it's gone. Not fading. Not turning off. It's just gone. Completely. The road behind you is empty, silent, lifeless.